Happy birthday, Mum! I hope you're having one of the best days ever with Dad and Chip. I wish I was there with you guys. But guess what? I've got a present for you. This video. I came up with a super fancy cake just for you. And I'm gonna show you how to bake it. I'm so excited. Let's get started. First things first, mix all of the dry ingredients. 1 cup of flour and 1 cup of sugar. Oh, and be sure to remember the baking soda. Aria, please be careful.
Oh, sorry, Riff. I'm just trying to figure out my walking jump for the big circus show. Isn't it cool? It drums when I walk.
Yeah, but I'd really appreciate it if you could do it out somewhere else. Because I'm trying to make this baking video for my mum's birthday. See?
Oh, really? Happy birthday, Riff's mom!
Sorry for the interruption, Mum. It looks like my friends are all getting ready to do a circus show. Now, where was I? Oh, yeah. After we add the baking soda, it's time to mix in the eggs, milk and butter. So what makes this cake so special for such a special mum? It's super fluffy and sweet. But that also means you have to be super careful when it's done baking, or else it might flop into a pancake.
Did someone say flop? Don't forget about flip.
Hold on, Flip and Flop. I'm trying really hard to make my mum's birthday present.
Sorry, Riff. We were just practicing for the circus show. Yeah, it's quite cool when I try and do a flip.
That was cool, but maybe you could practice somewhere else that's not in the kitchen, please?
Oh, sure thing, Riff. You got it. Flip and flop out. Yeah.
Phew, that was close. Sorry again for the interruptions, Mum. It's getting a little crazy around here. Now, where were we? Oh, right, mixing the batter.
Whoa! Whoa!
Whoa! Zip, are you okay?
Ta-da!
Phew.
Riff, you got a towel?
Yes, follow me. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, yummy. No, Zip, an elephant probably won't fit inside the Wondertree. Mum, I'm so sorry this video is becoming such a mess. Everything's going to be okay though, because just like you taught me, always have a backup plan. Listen carefully, because this step is a very important one. When you mix all the ingredients together...
I think I'm getting the hang of this.
Make sure you stir in both directions. This helps the batter fill up with air so it fluffs up just right when it's baking. Then when it's all mixed and ready, I pour it in a circle baking pan like this. Pour it evenly around the... Pour it evenly around... Around the pan, so when it goes in the oven, it rises. Then, when the oven's temperature's ready, open the door, make sure the baking rack is in the center.
Ninja!
And now, let it bake for 1 hour. Can everybody please stop? I'm sorry. I know I shouldn't have yelled like that. It's just, I respect that you want to do your circus show, but I'm trying to make something for my mum, and I feel like you're not respecting that.
We're sorry, Riff. Yes, yeah, super sorry. We should have respected your space more and not practiced our circus tricks at the same time.
And I'm sorry for sneaking samples before. I still have to work on controlling myself around delicious treats.
It's okay. Maybe I should think of a different birthday present to make for my mum this year.
Don't you dare! This is an amazing birthday present, and we're gonna help you.
Really?
Really.
Whoa!
If something's important to you, then it is important to me too. If you have a goal to help see it through. 'Cause I respect you. Yes, I respect you. Every day through my choices, I show respect to you. Have feelings, and they're valid. And it is my job as a friend to practice being as thoughtful as I can when you are showing me your goals and your plans. Anytime I'm about to take an action, I take a second and I start off by asking, how is this going to affect those around me? Will it show my respect for the boundaries? If something's important to you, then it is important to me too. If you have a goal to pursue, then I will be there to help see it through. 'Cause I respect you.
Super special birthday cake! Yeah! Nice job, Riff! When we grow,
We glow!
Dig in, everyone!
Really?
Bon appetit!
Hi, I'm Francis. You know, when I say I respect you, I show it through my words and actions. I'm kind and polite. I'm careful with your things. I follow the rules. I respect your boundaries and beliefs, even if they're different from my own. If it's important to you, it's important to me too. Just like we say in the lyrics in this song. Sing along with me. If something's important to you, then it is important to me too. If you have a goal to pursue, then I will be there to help see it through. 'Cause I respect you. Yes, I respect you. Every day through my choices, I show respect to you. You got feelings, and they're valid. And it's my job as a friend to practice being as thoughtful as I can when you tell me about your goals and your plans. Anytime I'm about to take an action, I take a second and start off by asking, how is this gonna affect those around me? Is it gonna show respect for their boundaries? If something's important to you, then it is important to me too. If you have a goal to pursue, then I will be there to help see it through. 'Cause I respect you. Yes, I respect you. Every day through my choices, I show respect to you. We all have our ways to feel love and care, different things that matter and unique ways to share. As a friend, I'll listen and take time to learn, so I can show you love in ways you can return. We're all striving and growing, reaching for more, becoming better versions than we did before. So I'll support you through every high and low. Together we will rise and together we will grow. If something's important to you, then it is important to me too. If you have a goal to pursue, then I will be there to help see it through. 'Cause I respect you. Yes, I respect you. Every day through my choices, I show respect to you. Every day through my choices, I show respect to you. I really enjoyed singing about respect with you today. Thanks for joining me. Now get out there so you can grow and glow.
Okay, love you, bye.